You bought a phone for its 5,000 milliamp battery, but after 2 days of nothing, you left with 73%. Hidden apps, bloatware, spyware are killing your phone's speed and drain battery. Stop them. Meet App Froster Pro in App Store for free. Make sure you read thoroughly and click I agree. Next, grant usage access to see everything running. Download Tool.zip from App Froster website. Unzip to desktop and run this script. Follow the instruction. Go to Setting, scroll down to About Devices and click 7 times Build Number to unlock developer options. Enable USB debugging. I will click Revoke to prevent connection fail. After connect, use Transfer File Audio. Tap Allow on your phone when prompted. To activate it, it's important to remove all Google and manufacturer accounts. Make sure you have your password so you can log in back after we activate it. Phone like Samsung requires Samsung account to be removed. We should close the USB debugging after we are done and make a full backup of your phone data before you try to disable anything. After activated, you can see there are some applications that I never install here. We can tap on it for more info. Yuck, so nasty. Download the recommended list for safe optimization. Import it. If it crashes, just restart the app and import again. I need always-on display for the clock screen. We can search to unfreeze it. Restart your phone to see the effect. Enjoy the battery life and speed your phone should have had all along. Thanks for watching. Grab the link below.